preparation ahead of the official launch of the new Moto2 engine from Triumph 765 in Jerez, November 2018. Kalex tests Triumph Moto2 at Aragon with Folger and Marquez, as well as several other test riders. Testing by one of the Moto2 chassis suppliers, Kalex is important because it involves several Moto2 racers, such as Alex Marquez, Kodo Moto2 test driver Ricky Cardis, Kalex Jesko Raffin, and the emergence of the former Yamaha Tech 3 rider Jonas Folger, as well as champions of several Moto2 series of the 2014 season and 2015. Kalex tested the Triumph Moto2 at Aragon because now the Triumph 765cc 3-cylinder engine has complete race spec, including the new ECU Magneti Marelli. Although there is no record of time released, but Kalex CEO Alexander Baumgartl seems satisfied with the results of the tests that are considered to have been perfect. It all went very promising during our first test with the Triumph engine in a spacecraft with electronics coming from Magneti Marelli for next year, Baumgartl said. On Tuesday, Jesko started off with a completely new engine package. Certainly there is a small problem when starting this project and can be overcome. On Wednesday, mapping was made different for Alex. The improvement was also to support Folger, who tested the next day, he continued. Clearly, the three riders gave us very similar input and statements. This, of course, is very positive and useful to support Magneti Marelli with more information on fine-tuning, machine management and throttle controls required for the Moto2 class, he concluded.